I'm on the speed. Listen up. Got the rollie outside with gun.
Butt naked like she broke bands. Standing in the club when I'm on the couch shit. Grab the mic and announce it. Okay, now lady, yeah, if you know you bad, yeah, don't need no man, got your own man, put up your hand. You a top notch bitch, let me holler, bend it over, touch the toe, whip it out, show the whole you back roll, slang it out, hit the road, poke it out, show you, ease up, yeah, really I'm just trying to break the headboard, baby girl, you ain't gotta ask for a big boy. Hell no, girl, I ain't scared of it. Told her I was about to go nuts for her hands up. First time I met the girl, she was in the club. Booty like a dice game, just shake it up. Shake, 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 like a tambourine. Shake her down, shake her in the front, like a bag of green. Lady, say, and you know you bad. You put your hands in the air. Big booty cute, love the way she shake it. Coming to the floor, go okay, now lady. If you know you bad. Don't need no man, got your own man, put up your hand. You a top notch bitch, let me holler, bend it over, touch the toe, whip it out, show the whole you back roll, slang it out, hit the road, poke it out, down, show you, easy. Don't be alarmed, come into me. You got it. Yo, hold on this way. Yeah, that was good runs. You got IG? You got IG, Instagram?
No.
I'm BXRO TV though. If you ever see Instagram, I'll post it later so you'll probably see it. But my thing I got a misfire, so I can't really keep up right now. Yeah, that was good runs.